guys, tonight we will be discussing the tagless neck label and the tagless heat transfer care labels, custom made for your branded labels, the material and the difference between using the woven or pertaining to the tagless neck tags. So there's a difference between them, and so we're just going to be discussing what is the difference and why you should choose what you should choose. If that's what you want to choose, it's up to you, boo. Okay, so tonight we'll be discussing, what is the difference between, the woven tags that you can either have sewn in with a sewing machine or you can hand sew them yourself. Alright guys, so tonight we'll be discussing what is the difference between woven label tags for your clothes and the tagless tags for your clothes. What's the difference? Can you give me a better understanding? What is the tagless neck label? How does it work when it comes to the heat transfer? And far as care labels with it, can you get them custom made for your branding or whatever the case is? Yes, you can. We're going to start with the tagless neck labels. You can definitely get them custom made to fit your desired look. You just really have to choose what company fits you if that's something that you desire to do. First and foremost, of course, I gotta let you know I'm not a professional. This is just my personal experience. Seek a professional pertaining to this particular area that's educated in this area that can definitely help you. But anywho, let's get back into the video. So the tagless neck labels are a nice look. I know people do have their opinion about certain tags and what fits with what you're going for. My personal experience is just, for me, I like with the sweatshirts and the hoodies, I think that the woven tags work really well. It helps with durability, and I think it works really well. And plus, you can have it hand sewn onto your stuff, or you can have it sewn with a machine. You know what I'm saying? Whatever folks should both. But they both have great aspects. They both are a big beneficial to what you're trying to do. So for instance, like this right here, this tagless neck transfer, you can definitely, it still has your instructions, your care instructions of what you want. You can still have your size, where it's made from. You can, like I said, you can just really get it custom made to your desire, and also make sure you implement the important details in it. But definitely and another thing, with these, the material, this material is a digital heat transfer. It's cost efficient. It starts in small quantities, but if you're a bigger brand, then of course, depending on your company, I'm sure they can accommodate you in that area as well. Some companies can even help with artwork, equipment needed. But one thing I will say about this particular company that we went with, they prefer for you to use either a HeatPress or a Hatpress. They don't recommend anything else. But because they want it to really, fit the garment or whatever you're putting it on. So, that's just what they recommend. So you would definitely, whatever company you desire to go with, you would want to make sure what things you can use to make your tags work. You can also measure it and see what width and length that you will that you desire. So that's something to also think about before you purchase them. Go ahead and kind of measure out, and have a good description, a good detail of how you want your tags. That way you'll know if it's too big or if it's too small. Alright guys, so the woven labels allows you to choose from hundreds of symbols, colors, fonts, and unique labels. You can sew on by hand, or you can if you have a sewing machine, you can use that. Some companies do have the iron on option. These right here are made with 100% recycled yarn. It's also, safely. It's also safe, wash in different temperatures because it's durable, it's soft, it's flexible. It has the folding option. And these labels can have up to 6 colors. So like I say, just depending on who you go with. And usually companies are pretty good by being very versatile and have many options. This material is 100% polyester. These clothing labels are also certified, which means they are proven to be free of any type of substance which may be harmful to your health. So that's a plus to me. So I'm truly thankful for that. All right, now we're going to get into using the heat press and just kind of showing you how it turns out. All right, so I'm going to be cutting on the hat press, and I'm going to be showing you a small little demonstration on how we put these tagless heat transfer labels on. Gonna let this thing get hot and get it rocking. So I just took the tag off. You see it's stuck, but I'm gonna press it again for 30 seconds. I'll get you. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.